Clean your dryer vent. Protect your home. Breathe easy with Dynasty Ducts expert dryer vent cleaning services. Is your dryer taking forever to dry clothes or showing error codes like D80, D90, D95, or check vent? These are signs that your dryer vent needs cleaning. At Dynasty Ducts, we understand the importance of a safe and efficient home. Our certified, bonded, and insured professionals are ready to assist you. See the difference a professional cleaning can make. Our thorough cleaning process ensures your dryer vent is safe and efficient. We offer great value with fair and competitive pricing, trusted professionals who provide clear communication and helpful tips, and excellent service with convenient Sunday and evening appointments and courtesy calls before arrival. Schedule your dryer vent cleaning today. Call the number below or complete the form to book your appointment. Protect your home from dryer vent dangers with Dynasty Ducts. Breathe easy with quality duct cleaning and service.